coming like back to your story, I just want to like connect it so well. तो आपने बताया कि after you lost your elder brother, right? So that's the point where you start thinking about God कि मेरे को एक रास्ता मिलेगा यहाँ से. लेकिन often times हम लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता नहीं है. मतलब अगर वो if they came across something kind of this loss, कभी कभी ना होप भी टूट जाता है कि इज इट लाइक इज दे गॉड, और अब भगवान ने ऐसा क्यों किया मेरे साथ, या शुड आई बिलीव इन गॉड. सो व्हाट वाज दैट थिंग विच केप्ट यू बिलीव इन गॉड? लाइक आपको ऐसा क्या लगा वहाँ पे कि नहीं, मेरे को भगवान ही एक सहारा मिल सकता है, या मुझे इनकी तरफ ही जाना है? कि वहाँ पे कुछ एक ऐसा पॉइंट आया, या आप, या डू यू बिलीव इन सम काइंड ऑफ, आई मीन आई एम बिलीवर ऑफ कर्मा ऑल्सो. तो फिर आपको ऐसा क्या लगा वहाँ पे कि यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन गॉड इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द गॉड, यू टुक अ पाथ ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी?
Yeah, you see, I think you are looking for some idea. What was the central point which was which pushed me towards spirituality? You see, when you lose somebody, when you lose a dear one, then the real consolation, I mean, that can really help you. That consolation can come from spiritual viewpoints only. Like say, the only thing that is going to convince the person, the loser of the dear one, is spiritual truth. That you see, this soul never dies. It is only body which perishes or which is finished, which dies. So man never dies, and it is only body which is destroyed, and because of some reason, there are so many reasons. So there is no point in I mean crying for that body. And now his soul have left the body, and then his soul is in peace, or wherever it is. Journey is there where he has to go as per the plan of God. So this was very convincing.
Okay.
That consolation I can get only from spiritual teachings, spiritual truths. That I am the soul, I am not this body. So this truth helped me. By crying, you are not going to get anything meaningful. But if you start thinking about, reflecting on these teachings, that body, again and again, the soul comes into that process of rebirth, and again, different body every time, like as we throw away our old clothes and then take new clothes, like that soul does also. Soul loses the one body which is not able, not in position to have spiritual practices to know God, to know soul. So that body is by sickness or by other reasons, it is not able to do any good for the soul's journey. Then soul changes it and it goes to another body.
Yeah.
So this is a consoling fact, convincing and consoling. From no other way you can have such consolation and such conviction. Only from spiritual teaching you have.
या क्योंकि एक दिन तो सबको ही जाना है, तो इवन तो हम लोग कंसोल कर रहे हैं अपने पेरेंट्स से या अपने लाइफ पार्टनर से, वी नो द फैक्ट दैट कि ये लोग भी जाएंगे, तो द ओनली कंसोलेशन वी कैन गेट फ्रॉम द हायर पावर. या दैट्स सो ट्रू. या सो अक्सर ये वाला भी क्वेश्चन आता है दिमाग में लोगों के भी कि इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी फॉर एवरीवन? लाइक, do I need to go to spirituality? Is everything, if everything is going fine with my life, जो भी थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रही है वो I can go through, but is it necessary for me to go into spirituality?
You see, this question is quite
very common. I mean, people,
it is very common or very uncommon, both ways. So this question, in life, nobody can say, in life nothing is necessary. From a material way of thinking, in this life, so nobody will answer this question for somebody else.
Yeah.
You can answer this question for yourself. If question is arising in your mind, then only you can answer this question.
Wow.
And if you, at least this is a good question. This will make you a searcher. You will be on searching the answer to this question. Then, of course, you will have to read some books and lives of saints who have gone so high and so advanced in spirituality. So you have to read their book. Then you will know why and how they went to spiritual journey. So some of the things that they have told that may touch your heart, and you will get an answer.
Yeah, that's so true. क्योंकि हमें अक्सर ही will be in a path of questioning thing कि जब हम लोग बच्चे होते हैं या हम लोग अपने adult या teenage तक भी आते हैं तो everything is like fine. I mean if you haven't lost anyone in your family तो सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा होता है. But the moment you lose your family member, आपके grandparents से या कोई भी close one अगर खत्म die होते हैं तो then you start questioning कि यार what is the meaning of my life, why am I here, what is the reason of my existence. तो जब ये questions आते हैं then only you'll be able to understand all these things better. Because है ना मैंने जब भागवत गीता भी पढ़ा तो मुझे समझ आया था कि कृष्ण भगवान ने अर्जुन को आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान रणभूमि में ही दिया था. उससे पहले वो उनके काफी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे, उनके क्लोज फ्रेंड थे अर्जुन के, उनके साथ घूमते थे. बट उन्होंने उनको कभी भी वो आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान नहीं दिया कि आत्मा क्या होती है या एक दिन ये आत्मा मरती नहीं है, ये जस्ट क्लोथ चेंज करती है, मतलब एक बॉडी से दूसरी बॉडी में जाती है. तो व्हेनेवर योर टाइम इज लाइक व्हेनेवर यू आर रेडी तभी वो आपको ज्ञान भी समझ आएगा. सो जो भी ये पूछते हैं कि लाइक इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी फॉर एवरीवन, तो ऑल वी कैन से इज कि व्हेनेवर योर टाइम कम्स, व्हेनेवर यू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग योर एग्जिस्टेंस, तभी आपको ये सब चीजें समझ आ पाएगी. राइट?
Yes, the field has to be ready, na?
Yeah.
That is what Babaji told, made the plan. In Western countries, there are so many very open-hearted people who are looking for their field is ready. But see, if they are maybe they are members of Catholic churches and they only it is that every once a week their way of spirituality is that go to the church and then do some charity and then celebrate Christmas in a very big way, but nobody is teaching there how to go inside and how to realize Jesus Christ, what Christ was and what was in body of Jesus, what Christ is spirit that much. Christ is a state of realization. It's not a person. Person is Jesus. Christ is like Buddha, Christ, like that. So that is a state of consciousness. It is, you see, everybody's journey of everybody's soul is different, means is at different stages.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is a material-minded person. So sometimes he has a great problem and nobody there to help him. I mean, he becomes a helpless man. Say, their chances are there he will be led towards spirituality. When nobody, no human being, no family person, no relatives is going to help him, no doctor is able to help him. Say, somebody has got cancer. So some people go to spirituality in that way. And again, I tell you, in Gita, चतुर्विजा भजन्ते माम, 4 तरह के लोग ईश्वर को भजते हैं. तो उसमें 4 categories are. The first category is the distressed one, disturbed one, and helpless. उसको कहते हैं आरत. आरत जिज्ञासु अर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ. आरत लोग, फिर उसके बाद में अर्थार्थी लोग, जिज्ञासु लोग और ज्ञानी. ये 4 तरह के लोग हैं जो ईश्वर को भजते हैं. आरत मतलब है कि ही इज एब्सोल्युटली हेल्पलेस. डॉक्टर सेड नोबडी कैन सेव यू. तो जो सर्जन भगवान में विश्वास नहीं करता वो भी बोलता है कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, वो भी ऊपर की तरफ दिखा देता है. तो इस तरह से इन फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड through every medium he is told that no one can help you. Then somebody might say okay तो क्या करेंगे, तो बोलेगा ठीक है आप प्रेयर कीजिए, थोड़ा प्रेयर भी ट्राई कीजिए. फिर वो सोचता है मरना तो है ही है, तो फिर हम रात दिन भगवान को ही पुकारें. तो इससे it is there in record that somebody becomes a spiritual person. And he prays, and then even spiritual healing takes place depending on the strength of his faith. So he becomes spiritual. ये तो अर्थार्थी है. जो अर्थार्थी he wants more money, and he wants to become more prosperous. And then if he had 10 factories, he won the 11th one. If he is running 3 hospitals, he would like the 4th one, because instead of, in addition to helping people with that medical treatment, he is also having earning money also. So this is the artharthi. Third is